How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. In the last episode, we came to Clarity Town and this forest, and we are severely under leveled. Also, we met our rival for the first time and crushed his Charmander with our Suicune. Also, Chiru the Meowth won the voting, but I didn't notice this, so I off-screen crashed it and grew it to level 15. Also, grinding is so horrendous because this game's only main speed is 2 times, but I found a way to increase the speed. There is a speed settings and we can choose from 2 to 18 settings, so this is faster. Now this is faster, like what is that game called? Yes, Fire Red and Leaf Green, my past GBA playthroughs like Fire Red and Emerald. So yeah, if you want me to play in this speed, I can play, but for the sake of the episode I'm gonna play in 2 times speed. So yeah, also I cleared up all the trainers with our Suicune, man, but even with Suicune those so effing hard, man. Even with Suicune, no question of the days. What is even the encounter rate of these Pokemons? This is horrendous. This game is going to be hard. Even though we have legendaries, this game is going to be hard as hell. I think we'll reach it. Guys, if you want me to catch this Suicune, tell me in the comments, because we can get a free Venusaur. So yeah, also Suckin go to level 16. I'm gonna call it Suckin. So let's get it. Let's go. Please don't have any more grass huffing patches. As we reached the ending. Wow, you made it out of that forest alive? Well, yeah, I guess. Good job, Gate. Thanks. For performing this feat, I'm supposed to give you this. HM, wow, thanks. Not anesthetic now, Arya. You got HM on effing cut. I'm gonna catch another Pokemon to teach it, and we are at Vestria City. I'm gonna explore. Before I explore, let me go and heal up at the Pokemon effing center. Vestria City. Yeah. I'm gonna heal up. Okay, it's healed up, and I'm gonna search for the Pokemart. I'm gonna buy some repels if they are available, because man, those things are annoying in the forest. Oh, there is another guy. Yes, we can get repels. Let me get 10 of them, because also as a kid I played through Pokemon Fire Red I think 10 times without repels. So we can get free berry, raspberry, persimmon berry, citrus berries, but they're too expensive to buy. So let's explore the city. I'm gonna explore the city. Okay, library. So we cannot get that way. Let's talk to these guys. Library? Why everybody is saying about the library? Go and you are bored? Okay. Gym. Fire type gym. I know it. Man, also this game doesn't have a Wikipedia. So I think there is no wiki, because the original creator never completed this game. So yeah, no, there is no interesting stuff in this game. Okay, there is a house. Hey, how did she went there? Naruto. I know Naruto, but I never saw it. Okay, let me talk to this man. It's really big. What is this? Okay. Also, this house is very interesting. There's nobody here, but let me go in. It's underground. Okay. We can have some battles. I'm gonna fast forward through battles. Level 16? What? Wow, a level 18 Jolteon. Thank God we missed. Wow. Ooh. Flinch. No, we are missing now. Wow, this is really hard. This game is really hard though. Wow, sand attack strategies. Water gun. What? You only have water gun?
Has water gun.
Wow, bite is missing as hell. I think we're gonna lose. I'll guess when I lost. Ooh, I actually defeated him. And we just lost. And yeah. So I'm gonna do that off screen. And if anything interesting happens, I'll do that. Also, let me turn the speed into our normal speed 2 times. And so let's enter the library. Vesco library. Hey man. The nicest books. Okay, let's talk to this man. Wow. What the hell is this thing? Library thing. We're gonna take on the. Huh? What are you talking about? Do you have a dream where an old will give you a Pokemon? Yeah. How did you know? Because I had that same dream too. What? How is that impossible? I'll tell you what I know. But first, I need to know something. Battle me. Hey, wait a second. Pokemon trainer. Who? Oh. We are busted.
Bye.
Should have gone for rain dance though. Let's go for a rain dance. Yes, it started to rain. Also, I forgot to turn on the battle animations. I am stupid as. What is this game's level curve? Yuff. We defeated the Entei though, but he went for Sunny Day. Oh, we defeated this lady. I'm sorry for just starting you like that. It was just I was told to be careful who I trusted and I can tell. That's your trustworthy. So what's going on? Why do you have these Pokemon? The library will explain everything. By the way, I'm Maria. I guess you already know my name. Yes, I do. The lady told me to follow me. I accidentally entered a cutscene of me. Read those books, they will explain almost everything. I'm pretty sure most journeys start like this. And that's first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Peace out.